Getting in more updates of what kind of a strike happened really in Lahore, in Sialkot, and the dent, the problem really the Pakistan army is suffering, that the air defense unit is completely down. It's the HQ-9 missile defense system of the Pakistan army that suffered heavy damages in the drone attack. This is the Chinese-based air defense system, the missile defense system that Pakistan has, which is the much-hyped HQ-9 missile defense system, which is usually used to detect and block attacks. We understand it's this missile defense system that's now been hit. Huge breaking news coming in. Sources telling us that the Pakistan army is now crippled in the skies. They rely heavily on the HQ-9 missile defense system, Chinese-made, much hyped. They've relied on it to alert them of any movement in the skies. That particular missile system, the missile defense system, has been hit out of action, which means the Pakistan army has no way to be notified of what's coming their way. This is a huge problem that the Pakistan army is dealing with. This is because of, in fact, strikes that have been reported in Lahore, in Sialkot. We're tracking the latest updates that are coming in on this. It looks like these are drone strikes that have been reported in Lahore. Where has it come from? We'll await more word on that. But Shivani, just explain to us what this means, that the HQ-9 missile defense system is down. Does this effectively mean that the Pakistan army has no way of finding out what's headed their way?
Akshita, if we talk about the HQ-9 defense systems, the missile defense system that have been installed by the Pakistani army are the systems, they are the long-range missile defense systems that are surface-to-air missile defense system that have been installed from China. So they have taken this from China. These were Chinese air defense systems that were installed close to the borders to, of course, neutralize any kind of aerial threats that come Pakistan's way. But what we are coming to know is that these systems have now been damaged. So now Pakistan has been under a heavy loss and damage, especially in this area of Lahore, in Sialkot, and that means that the claims that it has been making, there is some development in Pakistan side. It has suffered heavy damages on other locations also, where it has been claiming that some kind of a drone attack has hit it in 12 places. So we have to wait for more official confirmation, but this is in fact a big blow to Pakistan in terms of its own defense, when the air defense systems have been damaged out there. These HQ-9 defense systems, the missile systems that are installed by it close to the border to defend its airspace, have been now damaged. There are reports of heavy damages on them. It was Chinese systems that were installed out there, and remember, there's a lot of stake of China inside Pakistan in terms of its equipment, the defense equipment, especially the drones and
Is the Pakistan army now effectively defenseless? They simply can't see what's coming their way. The HQ-9 is their missile defense system. It's a Chinese long-range air defense system. What it does is essentially track incoming threats and then neutralize them mid-air. It's very similar to the Russian S-300. Now we are hearing that it is this missile system that's down. It's been hit in drone strikes that have been reported in Lahore, in Sialkot as well, and another city which we're still confirming right now. But what this effectively means is that in Lahore, Pakistan doesn't seem to have any air defense system that's functional right now. Let me just remind you that Lahore is also the place where Hafiz Saeed, the LAT chief, is currently hiding. And amid that, amid questions also about whether we could see Hafiz Saeed being targeted, the strikes that happened as part of Operation Sindoor was in Muridke, a few hours, about 1 hour away from Lahore. And now in Lahore, after we got these images, these videos from just a few hours ago of panic with air raid sirens blaring, with explosions being heard, we can tell you that the Pakistan Army's air defense system, the much hyped HQ-9 Chinese-made missile defense system in Lahore, has been hit. And that means that the Pakistan Army has no way of tracking what's happening around its skies in Lahore. It's a huge, huge dent for the Pakistan Army. No statement yet that's coming from the army, not really surprising because they're not exactly known to be transparent. But in Lahore, this has happened. In Sialkot too, this has happened, and in another city as well. The nature of these strikes, we don't know just yet, but suspected to be a drone strike. I want to bring in Gaurav Sawant for more on this. Gaurav, this is huge. Does this mean that the Pakistan army has no way, Gaurav, no way of seeing what's coming its way in Lahore?
Not just in Lahore, but in multiple locations, Pakistan's air defense systems now stand compromised along the India-Pakistan border. And this has happened in at least 3 to 5 different locations. If you were to move from Karachi towards, so you have the Sindh province, you have the Punjab province, and you have Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir and the international border. So we are told at multiple different locations, including in Lahore and near Sialkot and 2 other locations, Pakistan's air defense systems, the Chinese-made systems, stand neutralized. There have also been certain reports that are emanating from Pakistan that speak of damage that has been suffered internally in Pakistan, and apparently severe damage, including in some instances losses of military lives that has happened. But that is what Pakistan is claiming. We still have to wait for an independent confirmation on this, but the situation does appear that Pakistan's attempt to escalate the situation has had consequences, Akshata.
Okay, this is the big breaking news that's coming in right now. The Pakistan Army's air defense systems in Lahore, in Sialkot, have been hit. These are Chinese-made HQ-9 air defense systems, the missile defense system that's been hit right now.